Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on Trove platform. So guys, if you want to buy stocks on Trove platform, make sure you understand the sector you want to buy from. We have different sectors listed or terms listed on this platform. So guys, you have to be sure you understand the sector you want to buy from. If you are based in Nigeria and you prefer Nigerian stocks, you click on Nigerian stocks. So guys, these are the list of Nigerian stocks. Some of these stocks have been performing well. So guys, you can check out some of them. I will show you an example because I started buying stocks from 2007. So guys, in 2007, I bought Unwell. It was the public offer at that time. 2,000 naira will buy you 1,000 units. In 2025, 1,000 units is 19,000 naira. At that time, in 2007 or 2008, Unwell public offer was 2,000 naira for 1,000 units. The current price is 19,000 naira. So guys, you can check out some of the stocks in the Nigerian sector. Fidelity Bank, the public offer in 2007 was 3 naira, meaning if you have 3,000 naira, you will buy 1,000 units. So guys, the current price of 1,000 units is 18,650 naira. So most of these stocks are blasting off. Most of them are blasting off. Guinness, I bought Guinness in 2020, August 2020. I bought Guinness when Guinness was 14,000 naira for 1,000 unit. The current price of Guinness is 86,000 naira. In 2007, 1,000 unit of Guinness was over 200,000 naira. So guys, when I saw Guinness at 14,000 naira for 1,000 unit, I said, wow, I have to buy this. So guys, these are some of the stocks in the Nigerian sector. But in this video, I just want to show you how to buy stocks on Trove. Later, I will make a video on how to fund your Trove account. So guys, I already have some stocks already in my account. So I want to buy more AMC shares. So guys, this is the AMC stocks on Trove platform. You click on buy, you click on continue, you click on buy market order, you click on continue. So guys, I'm going to spend $1.40 because Trove is going to remove 0.76 cent for service charge. You click on review cost. Okay, so I have to reduce the amount. I have to reduce the amount I want to use to buy AMC. So guys, let me change the amount I want to use to buy AMC. Let me try this if this will work because of the service charge. So guys, you click on swipe to buy. Done. So guys, I just bought some AMC shares. So when you click on buy, you click on continue, you click the amount you want to buy. Guys, don't forget it. Then you click on swipe to buy. When you see swipe to buy, it means the amount you want to use to buy minus Trove commission is okay. Then you click on done. So guys, this is how to buy stocks on Trove for people based in Nigeria. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.